Hey there! Welcome to the Angel CX tutorial video. Setting up your AI agent for your website is quick and easy. After signing in, you'll go through a simple two-step onboarding process. Step 1. Add a short brand description so that the AI agent can be personalized to your brand. Step 2. Add your knowledge base to train the AI agent. Once that is done, you'll land on the Angel CX menu. Let's take a quick tour of the different options available in the menu. First, there's the Embed and Share tab. Here you'll find the script tag that you need to copy and paste into the header section of your website to integrate the AI agent. Next is the Customize tab. Under AI agent, you can choose display name, voice, theme color, and avatar. You'll also find the email customization feature here, where you can set up the details of the email you want to send to visitors after they interact with your AI agent. Moving on to Analytics. Here you can see all the interactions your AI agent has had. For each interaction, you'll find details on categorization, intent, call summary, transcript, call recording, potential next steps, and even a detailed sentiment analysis, plus the overall sentiment score. Next is the dashboard. This gives you a summary of all AI agent interactions over a selected time period. Then there's the Knowledge tab. This is where you can update your AI agent's knowledge base, whether it's from your website, your brand description, or custom files. Back in the Embed and Share tab, there's another really cool feature called Share. This provides you with a unique website URL and a QR code that you can add to your marketing materials. When someone scans the QR code or visits the URL, they'll be taken to your website with your AI agent already active and ready to converse. Finally, you can click on your account to view usage and billing information. That's it! You're all set to make your website talk with Angel CX.